Hello to you. How are you doing this morning? Hello, my people. So this morning, as you can see, I'm cooking up some callaloo. Big breakfast this morning, and how I do it is that I use the white salt and make sure that the callaloos are well cleaned. That's the first thing that I'm gonna do. So I put the white salt on it to get rid of anything that's laying around. All right. I will go ahead and then I'll strip my callaloos. Right, it's a beautiful day today, as you can see. And now I will be making my dumplings. That's my bowl right there. Got my water here. And this is what I want to show you. The spelt flour. So I don't use the white flour. So what I use is spelt flour. As you can see, it's all grain, non-GMO. And it's stone ground. And you can pick this up in your health food store as well as the vegan aisle. You can check for it in your supermarket. Okay, so I use spelt flour, and this one is the cornmeal medium grind, and this is also gluten-free as well, but this is not really refined, it's medium grind. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it's looking right now. So that's, as you can see, it's medium. It's kind of coarse right here, so I'm gonna try to allow you to see it clearly. All right, because I really want you to see how it is, and that's it. It's more on the coarse side, right? So this is what I use. All right, and this is how the spelt flour looks. All right, and I will add my flour. And I won't make a lot, so just add a little. And then I will add my cornmeal medium. And this dumpling is really good. It's really good dumplings, my people. So you should try this at home. You will love it. All right. And then you will add your salt to it. And after adding the salt, you know that you need to add your water and mead. And that's it. Perfect. Perfect dough right here, and you will just keep kneading it so it can work in nicely. All right. So only 4 dumplings I will make today, all right? And that's it. And then when I'm ready to put it in the pot, I'll just knead it all nicely. And along with that, I will be cooking a piece of yam as well. All right. A lot of things going on this morning, my people. Let me get it cut and peel. Waiting for the pot to boil. I'm enjoying an orange right now. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you for joining me today for the big breakfast. This is good. Really good. So the water is boiling. And I'm going to add my dumplings first. And I'm adding my pumpkins right now, as you can see. And after having my pumpkin boiling for a little while, I will take them out. And then I am going to add, these are cooked and good enough. Pretty, very golden. And then I'm going to add my yams. You see, these yams are soft. So I will add them now. And it's all done now, my people. Yeah. right, so I add my oil. You know, I use my Simply Natural 100% coconut oil. So the oil is hot. I'm gonna start by putting in some pimento. Then I will add my callaloo and carrots. And remember, I also cut the callaloo with the scallion. So that's how I do it. Then I will cover the pot and have it to steam for a little bit. And it's smelling really good. I can tell you that. Oh yes. And you would want to make sure that you're steaming your callaloo on a low flame. Alright, looking good. And now I am just gonna add some thyme to it. And then I add some basil leaves right here. And then I have one small Scotch bonnet. I'm just gonna open it and make sure it's cut in 4. And then I'll add it to that. And then I will just give it a nice stir. Then I will add my salt. And then I will stir it around a little bit again. And then I will add my garlic last. And this is how I prepare my callaloo, all the natural way, all the natural. And then I will mix it around with my wooden spoon. And that's the perfect callaloo. And that's my perfect callaloo. And as you can see, it's looking lovely. And I'm just gonna cover it a little bit and then I will share. And as you can see, it's eating time right now. And it's looking good, looking good, looking good. Wonderful breakfast this morning, my people. I'm telling you, I'm sending over yours. Yes, yes, wonderful things going on here. And I can tell you, it's looking good and it's also tasting even better. All right, this is really good. I'm enjoying it. All natural, people. Yes, it is. And you should try cooking like this, yeah? Healthy eating the smart way.